Today the whole plan is we will go on a ride in a city in one of our electric vehicles that help one of our customers, where we have helped them engineer this vehicle.
Every time when I look at this vehicle, I quite amazed, right? How quiet they are, right?
And yes, it has been quite a ride that we have been doing this lot of engineering work in off lately over the period of time. It all started with a vision of making these electric vehicles and making it sure that they are accessible to all.
So I think I can't wait to take a drive.
Yeah, let's go. It all started in 2010 when Mr. Ratan Tata actually envisioned an electric vehicle and it should be as accessible as nano. I think that vision catalyzed what Tata Technology actually stands for today.
Correct. And if I remember, see, by 2012, we already have our EMO making waves at the North American Auto Show, right? That time even other OEMs are not even thinking about EVs, right? So we are quite early, and that shows our early commitment to these affordable EVs, right?
Right, very true. And you know, even by 2020, when we landed, when the EV things were started rolling off in our country as well, we had actually by 2020 turned out the Tigor conversion of an ICE to an EV, which was ready for production. And it is really amazing that we could actually do it within a flat 18 months.
Correct.
Uniqueness as Tata Technology, it lies in a full vehicle turnkey EV engineering solution, and it begins right from concept to the production.
Correct. And see, we have got such a diversified portfolio, right? We start with product benchmarking, simulation, validation, testing, right? And now we have got this SDV, software defined vehicle, right? I think we cover it all.
So they are not just built actually, they are designed to evolve and plus also improve over the time.
Yeah, absolutely. And see, if you see, our solution is not about today, right? I think it is about anticipating what are the tomorrow's challenges, right? How we overcome those challenges. I think it is all about that, right? And how we anticipate that and build solution towards that, right? Transforming ICE vehicle to EV is not about just swapping parts, right? I think it is much more than that, right? You have to solve all those complex engineering problems. You always have timeline pressure. You have to innovate quickly, right? I think, but overall it is all exciting, right?
Truly innovate, and yes, we did a lot of innovation. They are so small and some are very big innovations. And by 2020, Abhay, we were actually doing it, and that Tigor that I spoke about it, a complete vehicle which was converted from an ICE to EV in just 18 months, flat 18 months.
I think we have to think about like how we can maximize the range, and at the same time you have to bring that performance parity with the existing vehicle, right?
Absolutely.
So I think that is the biggest challenge.
It's not just conversion actually, you know. It's a transformation.
Correct.
Which actually is setting new standards for the whole industry as such. Our focus isn't just on engineering vehicles, but also actually on sustainable solutions and enhancing the customer experiences.
And exactly, with every project we are paving the way for a greener tomorrow, right? And I think that is the future we are driving towards at Tata Technologies.
It's a global partnerships that we have, like with Jaguar Land Rover, with Tata Motors, BMW, and they all really have propelled us onto the world stage. You know? And with that, we actually can integrate our cutting-edge solutions and helping them win the entire marketplace. I would say thank you all. Thank you for joining us on this journey.
Glad that you are with us in this engineering a better world.